In today's video, I am going to attempt to make a coffee table using these two wooden crates. The problem with that, I don't know how to craft. I am not crafty at all.
Hey Glam Squad, this is your girl Dalou. Welcome to Glam Style with Dalou, where we are about creating a beautiful, glam and happy home. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. We upload new videos minimum twice a week. If you like the videos in this channel, please give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends.
So I'm very excited to see how this project is gonna turn out. The crates are 12 by 18 and they are from Michaels. Right now, I'm pouring some wood glue on top of the crate so I can connect the two crates together. For some reason, I was having a lot of problem with the glue. It was taking a long time for it to be tacky. Next time, I will try the Gorilla Glue instead. I needed to put some weight on top of the crate so they can stick together. Whatever you see on the video, that's all I had around the house. So you use what you have, right? They work. I'm going to use these tiny little nails. Is it tag or tab nails? How do you call them? To nail the two wooden crates together. I am nailing all 4 bars on the crates. I am going to be using this foam from Amazon. It is 2 inches thick. We'll be measuring it and cutting it to make sure that it fits the size of the crate. I'm going to be using this adhesive spray to glue the foam on the crates. The spray is from Homedepot. I am putting a generous amount of spray on the wood. I cut the foam into 4 pieces, but if you're doing it, try to see if you can keep it in one piece. It might be best. Oops! My measurement was not accurate. Now we're gonna have to fix it. I use my wedding album to put some weight so everything can stick together. This wedding album is becoming very handy today. Right now I'm using a ruler so I can mark exactly where the woods are so I can go on top and start putting lines on the foam. I'm putting some stars on the lines so I know exactly where to push the holes for the tufting. I am doing them approximately 10 inches apart. I'm using a knife to make the holes on the foam, and I'm also making sure where I'm doing the holes I have wood there. I'm going to be using a pair of scissors to continue the process. Using this sage green platter on the coffee table. I am cutting the fabric to fit the size of the coffee table. Starting the tufting process, I'm using short screw and a washer. I'm making some hole on the fabric first before I start screwing. Before I screw, I'm making sure that I locate the hole and there was wood there. This is my husband's feet. He is teaching me how to use a screwdriver. Once I was done tufting the table, I'm using the hot glue gun to connect the two fabrics together. I'm gonna be using a staple gun to staple the fabric inside the crates. In the middle, I cut the fabric to make the stapling process easier. I flip it over so I can start stapling the bottom. I forgot to buy a piece of fabric for the bottom at the store, so I'm cutting a piece of that bed skirt that I have a long time ago and use it for the bottom. I'm putting the jam on the coffee table. I'm using a tweezer. I figured out it was much more easier for me to use a tweezer, especially if you have long nails. The gems that I am using are small. I could not find big one anywhere, not even at my local Walmart. Now I'm putting glue, school glue, on top of this cardboard so I can stick two cardboards together to make the cover for the coffee table. I let it dry overnight. Yeah, this part is over. Now I'm gonna be using cardboard from regular boxes to start making the different parts for the inside. That's the next day, y'all. I'm gonna be using this beautiful white and gold vinyl wallpaper that I got from Target to cover the cardboard. Using this paper was a pain. It has a mind of its own. It's not bad at all the way it came out. I'm using a different color paper. I'm drawing a line in the middle of the board because I'm gonna be needing two pieces of the paper to cover the board. So I needed to know exactly where my middle part is. I'm using a gift card to make sure that I do not have any bubble on the paper. I will put a list of the things that I use in the description box. You may have seen this swap. I used it for my Z Gallery inspired placemat DIY. I got it from Amazon. I'm using my hot glue gun to glue the wrap on the board. I am going to be using E6000 glue to glue the mirror on the board. The mirror is from Michaels. I'm also going to use the same glue to glue the boards down. To make sure the boards stay in place, I'm gonna be screwing them down. I tried to use the smaller nails, they didn't work, so I have to use the bigger ones. I used the extra paper on one side of the board to cover the middle part. I add some gems on top of the nail head. And voila, we are done. As you can see, there are plenty of storage space. That was my very first big DIY. I think I did okay. What do you guys think? I hope this DIY inspire you to go and create your own beautiful magical coffee table? Who would think we started with only 2 wooden crates? If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload my next video. Be sure to check the rest of the channel for some fabulous table escape and some glam home decor. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye. La 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 la. Perfect. I have to do it again.